Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I just wanted to show you before I start my next recipe is my KitchenAid Mix Master. Now, my very first one, my mom bought me over 25 years ago when I got married, and I loved it to pieces, but it wasn't doing its job anymore. So she surprised me and got me this from Costco. Gotta love Costco. But you can find your KitchenAid in a lot of other stores as well. And of course, wait till they're on sale because they're not cheap. The good thing is that they'll last for many, many years. My other one lasted me 25 years. I know. And I love to be able to use my whisk so that I can make meringues. That's what I'm going to be making. But if you're making a chiffon cake and you need to whip up egg whites, and you're just making whatever other kind of fancy desserts, you'll use your whisk. But for most recipes, you'll be just using your regular mixer. I was trying to remember the name. So it's really easy. It comes with a really nice large bowl that I've already just attached. And you can just see how simple to just add it, your attachment, very easily. It has 10 different speeds, and on the side here it lifts up the bowl really easily, and then you just start, and you can go really fast and really slow, and I just absolutely love it. So I know some people like their hand mixers, but this is an amazing item that I love to have as one of my favorite gadgets. So I hope this is helpful for you guys that are bakers, and even if you're not bakers, it's fun. It's fun to have different things, and it will last a long time. So it's worth the investment, in my opinion. All right. So continue to subscribe, ring the bell, share with other people. All right. Visit my website, www.risaweiner.com. My Facebook group for more motivation and inspiration, Weight Watcher tips and recipes by Risa. Okay. And I'm on Instagram, Risa's Piece 8. Lots of things. So take care, and I hope to hear from you guys. Make sure you like and comment because I love your comments, and I hope that you like this gadget. Oh, and then there's this one for making, I believe, dough, which I've never done. So who knows? Stay tuned. I'll try it. Why not? You've got to experiment, people. All right, and it's fun. So enjoy. I hope you buy one. Let me know if you do. And take care. Mwah. Bye for now.